In this session, we are addressing one of the most common and most hidden money blocks: negative beliefs about wealthy people. Many people consciously want more money while unconsciously associating wealth with greed, selfishness, corruption, ego, or moral compromise. These beliefs often form through media, cultural narratives, family conversations, or witnessing power misused. When these associations exist in the subconscious, the nervous system creates a silent rule. If I become wealthy, I will become someone I don't respect. This creates an internal conflict where the desire for abundance is overridden by the need to protect one's identity and values. The result is self-sabotage, hesitation, or ceilings on income that feel invisible but persistent. The purpose of this session is not to glorify money or deny that some people misuse it, but to separate wealth from character. Money does not create values, it amplifies them. This session helps release the belief that being wealthy requires becoming someone you don't want to be, and replaces it with the understanding that money simply gives you more capacity to express who you already are. As this block clears, the nervous system no longer resists abundance as a threat to integrity, allowing money to flow without guilt, moral tension, or internal conflict. So let's begin. Before we begin tapping, pause for a moment and sit comfortably with your feet on the ground. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose and let it out gently. Take another breath, allowing your shoulders to drop. And release. One more breath, creating space in your chest. And exhale. Now bring to mind the idea of wealthy people and simply notice what comes up. There is no right or wrong reaction. Just observe with curiosity. Now we'll begin tapping. So start with the hand. Even though part of me has negative beliefs about rich people, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I associate wealth with traits I don't like, I choose to honor my honesty. Even though money has felt morally complicated, I choose to feel safe right now. Eyebrow. These judgments about rich people. Side of eye. These stories I've absorbed. Under the eye. This discomfort with wealth. Under the nose. This fear of becoming someone else. Chin. This internal conflict. Collarbone. Holding moral tension. Under the arm. Feeling resistant to wealth. Top of the head. I notice this pattern. Eyebrow. Maybe I learned this growing up. Side of the eye. Maybe I saw money misused. Under the eye. Maybe I absorbed other people's opinions. Under the nose. Carrying beliefs that aren't mine. Chin. Holding onto outdated ideas. Collarbone. My nervous system learned to be cautious. Under the arm. I was trying to protect my values. Top of the head. I acknowledge that. Eyebrow. Money does not define character. Side of the eye. Money amplifies who someone already is. Under the eye. Wealth does not create greed. Under the nose. Wealth reveals values. Chin. I can be wealthy and grounded. Collarbone. I can be wealthy and generous. Under the arm, I can be wealthy and ethical. Top of the head, I choose alignment. Eyebrow, I release guilt around wanting more. Side of the eye, I release fear of judgment. Under the eye, I release moral conflict. Under the nose, I release false associations. Chin, I choose clarity. Collarbone, I choose integrity. Under the arm, I choose ease with wealth. Top of the head, I choose freedom. Money supports expression. Money supports impact. Money supports choice. I remain myself as I expand in body, mind, and spirit. Now close your eyes again. Take a deep breath in and release it fully. Imagine yourself with more resources, more capacity, more freedom, and notice that your values stay intact. See yourself using money in ways that feel aligned, calm, and purposeful. Feel how natural it is. Take one final breath in and exhale.